Hello students, we have started section C of paper second, and in section C we will study the topic writing news report. First of all, what is the concept of news? Everyone is aware of concept of news, and news is necessary for us to know everything that is going around us. News is one of the best known commodities in today's world. Everybody who understands the language and has access to mass media recognize it. The concept of news must have existed even before the beginning of the era of mass media. One may find relics of a primitive system in remote tribal areas where people exchanged local news during weekly markets just by talking to one another. When two friends meet after some time, they exchange information, which can be called personal news. Letters written to friends and relatives, now emails and social media posts, may carry what can be described as news. This kind of information exchange has been continuing since early days of human society in one form or the other. Everybody will agree that death makes news. If a person dies of a disease or an accident, it makes news. The importance of this news is related to the importance of the person and or the seriousness of the disease. Mrs. Indira Gandhi was assassinated. It was big news. If she had died of a heart attack or in an accident, even then it would have been big news. This news was important because of the importance of Mrs. Gandhi. Other factors were there, but the biggest news value of that event was the person involved. If a man dies in a road accident in Bhopal, it will be news in Bhopal. But if he dies of AIDS in Bhopal hospital, it will become news of not only national but of international significance. In this case, the importance of the news is because of the disease. But even an ordinary death of an ordinary old man will be news, at least for those who know him or are related to him. It may not appear in a newspaper, but it will be news to some people. We can say that the concept of news in human society is as old as recognition of death as an event and its communication by any means to those to whom the event would affect. Evolutions in transport and communications have led to many changes in the significance and reach of the news, but the basic concept has been the same through the years. In this sense, the concept of news may even be older than the concept of God, but just as even today, we do not have a universally agreed definition of God. There is no definitions of news with which everybody agrees. Before the era of newspapers and electronic media, news was communicated by word or word of mouth. Public announcements by those in power were communicated to the people by various kinds of drummers. Even now, such announcements dominate news coverage in newspapers, radio, and television in almost all countries, irrespective of ideology. Radio and television stations become first targets in cups. Those who snatch power from the old regime use these electronic drummers for their first announcements. Though the concept is very old, the word news is relatively recent in origin. In English, it appeared as News, N-E-W-I-S, in 1423, News in 1485, and evolved to News, News, in 1523. It was only after 1550 that it became News, NEWS, and in 1622 there was Butler's Weekly News in London, while in 1685 we had sentences such as the magazine news of Charles at once were spread. The four alphabets of the word news have been described as representing the four directions north, east, west, and south. News can come from any of these directions, but as we see every day, all events do not make news. Only important and interesting events make news. Further, an event itself is not news. It becomes news when its account is available. Thus, Bhagalpur jail blindings made news several weeks after the event. Similarly, activities of the four alphabets of the word news have been described as representing the four directions: north, east, west, and south. News can come from any of these directions, but as we see every day, all events do not make news. History is also an account of important events, but it relates mainly to the past. News is in a way current history. Today's newspaper will be source material for historians of tomorrow. Just as today's historians consult newspapers of yesteryears from the archives, what is happening today may go down in history, but its account which media gives now is news. If new facts about an event of historical significance are brought out today, then it will also make news. What Richard Nixon wrote about the Indo-Pak War of 1971 made news after more than a decade. Vijayalakshmi Pandit's account of the relationship of her brother Jawaharlal Nehru with Edwina Mountbatten appeared in news columns throughout the world much after both were dead and gone. Not only events but opinions also make news. The opinions of the Indian leader Rajiv Gandhi about the arms race in the world made news. The opinion of the person in the street about the budget makes news. Editorial comments by editors in important newspapers can also make news for other newspapers. Coverage of the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit in the media of the country visited will make news in India. What the Pakistani press is publishing about an event in India may be news for the Indian press. What the US press wrote about the Bhopal gas tragedy was news for Indian newspapers. With this varying situation in mind, we can attempt a definition of news. So, definition of news may be as news is an account of a recent event or opinion which is important or interesting. Importance and interest are two factors that present unlimited interpretations and thus explain why an event is newsworthy for one newspaper or broadcasting stations and not for others. Why one news item becomes world news while another may be fit only for a local daily. Importance and interest are often described as news values, but in fact, they represent the sum total of news value or intrinsic characteristics that distinguish news from non news. Identifying and measuring these values is usually called news sense, and it is commonly believed that reporters identify news by intuition. But this intuition, which should be called news sense, develops in news persons who subconsciously learn how to measure news values. Change is a basic news value. If nothing happens, there will be no change. But the world is not static. Every moment, things are different from the moment before. The bigger the change and the more the people affected by this change, the more important is it from the news point of view. Actual conflicts and even the danger of conflicts make news, as conflicts tend to bring about major change. All wars and threats leading to wars have a proven record of newsworthiness, but conflicts of smaller dimensions like group or personal conflicts resulting in crimes, strikes, demonstrations and so on also make news. Even conflicting ideas and the resulting debates make news. Tension and suspense, often associated with conflict, are also regarded as news values. Be it a result of natural calamity like an earthquake, tsunami, or a volcano eruption, or be it a human made event like the Bhopal gas tragedy or the Kaniska aircraft crash, disasters always make news. These are the sources that can make news. Further, we will discuss other factors of news that such as progress, consequence, cause, eminence and prominence, timeliness, etc.